Hello everybody, and welcome back to another Obby Creator video. So today I'll be showing off a simple little elevator door design that it barely takes any parts and it's really easy to make. Um, it's pretty reliable. It barely breaks, I think, and if you cover it up, you can barely tell. Like you can't see the circuitry at all. So yeah, let's get started. So, first of all, you actually don't need to copy these proportions perfectly. Like I use one snap to grid since it makes it most simple and easy to make. So this will just be like how it will be built in uh, one snap to grid. And so, first off, what you want to do is place down a part and have this number right here be 8, this number be 1, then just move it up a couple parts. And now you want to duplicate it by clicking Control C, or just clicking this button, and move it over twice. Now what you want to do is click Add and click Advance, then place Conveyor right under Advanced, then rotate it by pressing R until it's going left. Now um, scale it down to about halfway, half the size of this part, which is 4, and now you scale it so it would fit between these. Now, you actually move it one part down, and that will come clear why later. Now you duplicate it and use um, the rotate tool, rotate it 180 degrees, and move it so they both completely cover this part. Now you want to move this out a little bit farther. Now go into advanced, then click fading part, then move it into here. Um, this out a couple parts. Um, that can change depending on how fast you want the door to open. Um, we're going to change the properties to this after, so there isn't a bunch of Z fighting here. Now you want to take a push block, side parts, and move it to the edge right here. Have it be 4 to 8, so a little bit higher than the character. Hold on, I pressed on the fading part. Let's just wait for it to back, and now I can place these down safely. No, you delete the conveyor, then duplicate the fading part, normal part, I mean, sorry, and you move it up to, I think, 8. Yes, 8. Then you duplicate it over there. Then you control select, selecting them both. Then duplicate it over to this side. Actually, you want to change this to go out a little bit more. Now, there you go. Now you take this part, have it go over this, so makes it completely flat on the top. Now, place a reset part at the end, and I'll place it like 3 outwards, and in properties, if you don't see this, then you have to press this tab, which brings it out, and respawn push parts. Turn that to true. That makes it so instead of respawning the player, it respawns these. So duplicate that on the other side. And now you want to move this out 1 or 2. Actually move it out 3. 3. And you move out 1, going off of that. And there we go. Yeah. Now hold down these conveyors at the bottom and make speed, change it to 1. Now if we reset those, this should work. And there we go. Now, actually it's not quite finished since, click the fading part. Just fade time 0.1 and time until reappear about 3 or so, I think. Then sometimes get stuck like that, but it's usually not a problem once you're done building. Now it consistently works. So if you want to hide stuff, you can just move these 3 out. This. And also you want to delete actually make the fading part transparency 1. Now it should work. Yeah, there we go. Simple as that. There is a little gap right here, so all you have to do to fix that is control this part, then move it in so it fills in that gap. Then turn can collide to false. That means like none of the parts can collide with it. So there we go. Simple as that. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.